Hey guys, Ride Pro back again with another bike for sale. Today we got a 2010 Victory Cross Country Vision Tour. I believe this is actually called just the Vision Tour, not the Cross Country. It's a really nice bike. It's a dark blue in color and pewter. These are the stock pipes on it. The rear tires probably about 50%, maybe a little bit less. Got a nice luggage rack here. It's showing a little pitting up there if you can see it. Otherwise it's still usable. Pretty clean bike. Seats in good shape. Got a backrest there for the rider. This is the 106 cubic inch with the 6-speed. A really good motor, a lot of power. Bike's awesome. The fairings on this bike are incredible. It's got cruise control, AM/FM radio here. Control everything. You can raise the windshield, things of that nature. It does have a heated seat as well. Really nice bike. Small amount of scratches right here. It looks like there might have been a sticker here. Some of it's actually peeling off and feels like some rubber. So maybe that's fixable, and maybe they're not scratches. But something to note is right there. Otherwise, it's a really clean one. Again, decent tires. I mean, they're gonna need replacing probably within 2,000–3,000 miles. Really nice color. Dark blue and pewter go together well. A lot of trunk space in this bike. Perfect if you take it on longer rides. I'm going to go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. 27,000 miles. Sorry, 27,081 miles on this bike. Stock pipes. This is how you control the radio here. Here goes the windshield up and down. Pretty nice feature in case you get stuck in the rain. It's a big bike, definitely. These Victories are a bargain these days. To get a full bagger with this amount of miles and at this age, for the money that these go for right now, is a complete bargain. That's why we sell so many of them. Well, there it is, guys. Any questions about this one, please give us a call at 813-615-1700. 813-615-1700. Check us out on our website, www.myridepro.com. If you have any questions about getting this bike transported or shipped to your house and you're out of the state of Florida, please just give us a call, shoot us an email, and ask how much that costs or how we do that, because we do that every single day. We had shippers here back to back every day this week and last week picking up bikes, so we get pretty good rates, and the process is quite simple. You can also fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up for free and you can ride this bike home. Alright? There it is. 2010 Vision Tour. Thanks for watching it.